Hello and welcome to the Kerulos Center for Nonviolence. We are an online and on-site community created with rescued animals, indigenous wildlife, and the land. Grace Village, Kerulos' sanctuary sangha, is located in southern Oregon, U.S.A., on the traditional homelands of the Grizzly Bear, Takelma, Dakubedete, Coho Salmon, Golden Eagle, and the Gray Wolf. The village is a trauma-responsive space where new nature-inclusive language, custom, and meaning-making are shared and shaped together. Kerulos is dedicated to bringing human consciousness and culture into harmony with earth and animal beings. Our work and teachings are grounded in mindfulness and nonviolence. These practices are vital for earth and animal liberation because they anchor humanity in the values and ethics of the natural world. Practices of nonviolence and mindfulness provide concrete steps for bringing us home to nature. We call this nature consciousness. For 10,000 years, the planet has been dominated by the belief that humans are superior and separate from nature. This view has brought terrible destruction and violence. To revitalize and renew, we require, in the words of John Seed, a profound transformation of our whole civilization, our worldview, philosophy, economics, energy sources, production, transportation, education, and everything else. At the foundation of this radical transformation is humanity's evolution to nature consciousness. By changing how we think, we change what we do. This is the path for creating a new culture based in nature's ethics and principles, which have guided the natural world for millions of years. Join us with nature. Join us for earth and soul revitalization.